Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 11 of 3 member is me, Indri Prihatini.
My name is Indira Ismira.
My name is Muhammad Ilham Rusdi.
We will explain the result of our discussion about the article created by Hidayat in 2018. The article is Antibacterial Activity Test of the Partially Purified Bromelain from Pineapple Core Extract or Ananas Commosus elmir by fractionation using ammonium sulfate and acetone. The purpose article found out the potential antibacterial activity purified bromelain from pineapple extract.
Next method, and first, enzyme fractionation. 1. Ammonium precipitation. The crude extract filtrate was fractionated is cold condition using ammonium sulfate with various saturation levels. The crude extract filtrate was placed in a beaker glass in cold condition. Then ammonium sulfate was added slowly while being stirred using a magnetic stirrer. Next to acetone precipitation. The crude extract filtrate was fractionated in cold condition using cold acetone solution for derajat Celsius. Fractionation was done on various levels of saturation. The previous enzyme fraction was placed in a beaker glass in cold condition with magnetic stirrer. Then acetone was added gradually while being slowly tried the precipitate. Solution was allowed the still for one night in the refrigerator, then centrifuge using ultra centrifuge at 8,000 rpm for 15 minutes at 4 derajat Celsius. The precipitate obtained from extraction was then suspended in cool 0.2 phosphate buffer solution pH 7.0. Then measurement of enzyme activity. Each of the obtained enzyme fractionation was determined for its proteolytic activity by Kunitz method modified using casein substrate. The sample solution was incubated at 37 derajat Celsius for 30 minutes. Then the enzyme activity was stopped by at 5% TCA. The incubate in ice water for 30 minutes. For the control solution, it was done by mixing the bromelain, trace HCl buffer, and TCA first to stop the enzyme activity, and then when the bank solution contains all reagents except enzyme, the precipitate format was separate by configuration and supertime absorbance was measured by spectrometer few 18 nanometer. A unit from bromine activity definite the amount bromine enzyme there. Hydrolysis 1 mole cation per minute under optimal condition. 37 derajat Celsius and pH 7 egg. Next, measurement of protein content. Each of enzyme fractionation protein content was determined by the Lowry method. The sample solution was incubated for 10 minutes at room temperature. After the addition of Lowry reagent, the incubate for 30 minutes at room temperature. After addition of falling CO2, the absorbance was measured by spectrophotometer at 5095 nanometers. Protein content was calculated using BSA as standard. The specific activity of the enzyme was obtained by dating the proteolytic activity with the protein content. Antibacterial activity assay. One bacterial preparation. One loop of a test bacterial culture were included in a sterile nutrition both in a aseptic the test tube homogenesis using a shaker and then incubate at 37 derajat Celsius for 24 hours. The optical destiny of the culture was measured by spectrophotometer 5 to 6 to 5 nanometer. The absorbance of bacterial suspension was adjusted to a value between 0.08 0.10, matching with 0.5 McFarland standard. 0.5 McFarland standard solution can be prepared with composition of 0.5 milli BaCl to 1% and 90.5 milliliter H2SO4 1%. To Dix diffusion. Antibacterial potency test was performed of the curd extract and the provided fractionation of the enzyme. Suspension of its test bacterial was aseptically inserted to a sterile petri dish. The nutrition media was added. Then the petri dish was stirred clockwise and counterclockwise until homogeneous in the specific selection. A stirred dish paper was placed, and then on the dish paper a drop of sample to be tested was added. The agar medium content is the tested bacteria was incubated 37 derajat Celsius for 24 hours. Positive control use. Where amoxicillin, tetracycline, and clindamycin will for negative control sterile pH 7 phosphate buffer was used. The clear zone around the dish paper saw no bacterial growth called the inhibition zone. Diameter was measured. Rules all caliber. Okay, next.
Okay, result and discussion. The sort of preparation using ammonium sulfate can be seen in table 1. The Heitner specific activity is 17 U per milligram, which was obtained of fractation 2 with the total activity. Next. Then F5 ammonium sulfate fractation was obtained with specific activity of 50.784 unit per milligram of protein purine from salt stroke the dialysis process and used for this application stage. Next. Fractation of the enzyme crude extract using acetone was carried out with the same variation of saturation as fractation using ammonium sulfate so that the result could be compared. Acetone has been used as a fractation again in many previous studies that have shown a high specific activity of bromelain. The specific activity of the fractation using acetone can be seen in table 3. Okay, next. The fractation of bromelain to be tested are preserved dried first to obtain a more concentrated enzyme solution. Antibacterial potency test for bromelain sample was done on enzyme crude extract, fractation 5 ammonium sulfate before and after dialysis, and fractation 1, 2, 3 of acetone. Then results are shown in table 4 and table 5. Okay, next. In bacterial culture of S. epidermis and E. coli, no antibacterial activity was observed by bromelain in all fractation of enzyme. Meanwhile, in culture of P. acnes, a positive response of bacterial activity can be observed on all bromelain samples except in fractation 1 of acetone. The absence of activity is in the fractation I1 acetone can be due to the low specific activity so that antibacterial activity cannot be observed. Okay.
Okay, the conclusion this article is the antibacterial potency showed that bromelain crude extract has an antibacterial activity for all the test bacteria. The antibacterial potency of acetone bromelain or fraction 3 was only seen in P. acnes and C. aureus bacteria, while C. epidermis and E. coli did not show any inhibition zone. This is an advantage for bromelain as antibacterial agent that has selective antibacterial properties because the latter two species are body normal flora bacteria. Fractionation using ammonium sulfate was better to yield a higher specific activity than acetone, so at 70 UMG and 19,736 UMG for 20 then 50% ammonium sulfate and 50 then 80% acetone, respectively. Meanwhile, bromelain fractionation with acetone show a better antibacterial activity than ammonium sulfate with 6 mm and 12.5 mm inhibition zone for 20 then 80% ammonium sulfate and 50 then 80% acetone, respectively. Based on the result from this study, pineapple core can be utilized as the potential source of bromelain for antibacterial agent against P. Agnes and C. Aureus. For further study, it is necessary to conduct in vivo test for core bromelain with further purification and examine to calculate the minimum inhibitory concentration in order to obtain the effective dose of use. Okay. That's the result of our discussion. Sorry if there are mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.